Hi guys, my name is Shaztech and welcome to another video. Today I'll be talking about the Galaxy Note 10 confirmed specifications and features that it's going to have. If you enjoyed this video and find it informative, don't forget to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more daily tech news and reviews. So let's get started on the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 specifications. It will feature a 6.75-inch display, which is approximately 17.15 centimeters tall, with a display resolution of 1440 and 2960, which will also run on the Android 9 Pie, which came out this year for Galaxy S9 and S10 users. The device will be powered by octa-core 2.7 GHz quad-core M3 Mono Goose plus 1.7 GHz quad-core Cortex A55 processor paired with a 6 GB of RAM. Whew, that's a lot. As well as this, the battery is going to have 4100 milliamp powers, and the Galaxy Note 10 Pro is going to have 4500 milliamp powers, which will put it on par with the Galaxy S10 Plus. As far as the cameras are concerned, it should have two 13 megapixel cameras, as well as more unconfirmed camera lenses such as the wide angle and the telephoto ones. This phone will also have your usual sensors, including the light sensor, proximity sensors, accelerometer, barometer, and the compass and gyroscope, which is completely normal for phones. The launch date, which is unconfirmed in India, is on the July the 11th, but that is unconfirmed because usually the Note 10 or the Note series does get announced in August, with them being released that same month. As with the S10, it will also have the fingerprint underneath the display, and it will also have a quick charging 2.0, which will make it on par with wireless charging speeds. It will also include the headphone jack, as usual with Samsung, because they literally made fun of Apple for removing the headphone jack, so I'm pretty sure they're not going to be removing that anytime soon from the Galaxy S and Note series. The display is going to feature Super AMOLED display with 488 ppi with Corning Gorilla Glass 5. The screen size, as I said before, is going to be 6.75 inches. It should feature an 8 megapixel front camera with LED flash, of course. And the battery for charging will feature Quick Charge 3.0 and not 2.0 like the Galaxy S10. So that will be improved to match speeds of the Huawei's and the Super Voom Charge. It will also support 5G with the Note 10 Pro and 4G speeds. So yeah guys, that is the Note 10 specifications. It's going to be an absolute powerhouse of a phone, and is probably going to be the best smartphone of 2019. If you found this video informative, don't forget to leave a like on it and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. I've been Shaztech, and thanks for watching.